Hello again. I'm going to show you some posture tips, simple tips for sitting in a chair. And the first one's about rolling your shoulders up, back, and down. And when you see me from the side, you can see taking my shoulders up, back, and down gets me taller, more space at the waistline, gets my head back between my shoulders, unlike texting on a phone. And then we're going to take you into a pride pose. That's the arms way up. Looks like you're doing a V is for victory. And this gets the hands to go wide apart, stretch your fingers. Then we're going to try bending your elbows and taking them wide, even wider apart. Get taller at the waistline. Whenever you're getting taller, you're improving your posture. Whenever you're slouching, you're hurting your posture. You're in poor posture. So go for that wide elbows apart. And then after that, I'm going to invite you to take the arms behind your back. Big old clasp your arms. Once again, that gets you to broaden your chest, almost as if you're smiling across your chest. And you can take clasping your hands one more step. You can take your hands behind your back, and you're going to place your hands on your low back, then bring your elbows together. Really squeeze them together. And that's going to serve the purpose of, again, opening up your chest, really broad, like you're smiling. Yeah, and I invite you to try these tips all throughout the day. When you're sitting, just roll those shoulders back, go into a pride pose, elbows bent wide, clasp your hands behind your back, and then take the hands on your low back. And may you practice good posture all throughout the day, no matter what you're doing, sitting or whatever else.